In this video, you will learn how to create a small agent for an online store. The agent will answer frequently asked questions regarding online ordering, product delivery, etc. Natural language recognition by agents is performed using the NLU slot. The NLU slot is trained on a training dataset of the intents included in it. NLU is a slot designed to implement speech recognition by the agent. It proceeds messages in natural language in order to determine the expressed intention of the bot user and, depending on it, move to the appropriate script branch. An intent represents a specific topic or action that the agent should recognize. On the platform, intents are represented as sets of training phrases. Training phrases are phrases with the same or similar meaning that a person uses to express a specific intention. So, first of all, we need to create intents. We suggest that you use the table from the description of this video to create intents for your test bot. Go to the Resources tab by clicking Resource on the upper panel. You will see a section with intents. To add a new intent, click Create New. Let's add an intent about discounts, sales, and special offers. In the name field, enter the name of the intent. The names of the intents should be concise and clearly reflect their essence. You can also find all the names in the attached table. Add the training phrases for the intent in the Requests field. The training phrases for each intent are also included in the attached table. You can copy them from the table and paste them into the field. When creating the training phrases, consider the various ways the bot user may express a specific intention and make the training phrases as diverse as possible. To ensure the most successful recognition, the training dataset of each intent should contain at least 10 training phrases. After adding the intent, name, and training phrases, save the intent by clicking the Create button. In addition to the main intents, it is also necessary to add intents for small talk. Small talk represents topics that are unrelated to the main theme of the agent's intents. This includes, for example, gratitude, greetings, farewells, and so on. Small talk makes communication with the agent more lively and pleasant. Intents for small talk can also be found in the table. Similarly, add all the other intents from the table. Next, let's proceed to building the actual script of the agent. Create an agent and go to its bot builder. Add an NLU slot by clicking the plus button after the start slot and selecting the desired type from the drop-down list. The NLU slot analyzes the semantic content of the bot user's message and determines which intent it belongs to. In the name field, enter the name of the slot and set the confidence threshold value to 30. The confidence threshold value determines the agent's recognition of the bot's user message. Each request is assigned a confidence value ranging from 0 to 1, indicating the agent's certainty regarding the association of the request with a specific intent. If the confidence value, when converted to a percentage, is higher than the set confidence threshold, the agent proceeds to the branch following the corresponding intent. If the confidence value is lower than the confidence threshold, the agent goes to the fallback subslot. In this case, the bot user should be prompted to rephrase the question. The confidence value is available on the context variable section in the debug widget. After the NLU slot, you need to add intents. When creating the NLU slot, 2 intent subslots and 1 fallback subslot are automatically created. Replace the intents in these intent subslots with the desired ones by double-clicking on them and selecting a new intent from the drop-down list in the intent field. You can clear the name field so that, after saving the slot, the name of the intent will be displayed in the script tree, simplifying navigation through the agent script. Save the subslot by clicking the Save button. After replacing the intents in the automatically created subslots, create a new subslot by clicking the plus button. Select the type of the subslot from the drop-down list. Select the desired intent from the drop-down list in the intent field and save the subslot by clicking the Create button. Similarly, add all the previously created intents to the agent script. As a result, the script will look like this. Next, after each intent, you need to add the agent's response to the intent. To do this, after each of the intent subslots, you need to add text slots by clicking plus and selecting the required slot type from the drop-down list. Add the corresponding answer from the table to the text list field. We recommend leaving the name field empty, so when looking at a script tree, you can see the contents of the text slots. If the text response to the intent turns out to be longer than 4 lines, we recommend dividing it into several slots, focusing on the semantic content. This will make the message easier to read. In our example, the response to the order tracking intent contains 7 lines. Divide it into 2 text slots, adding 1 text slot after the other. Do the same with the pickup intent. If desired, you can add several text response options so that the agent responds differently each time. The response option is selected randomly by the agent. This way, the agent will be more alive and animated. Each new answer option is entered into the text lists field by pressing Enter twice. Add answer options for the fallback subslot. In the same way, add several answer options for small talk intents. After adding responses to intents, you need to add wait for reaction slots. This slot is designed to wait for the bot user to send a message. Thus, after receiving an answer to the intent, the bot user can ask another question, and conversation will return to the start of the script. So the user's question will be processed by the NLU slot. This step finalizes the creation of the agent script, resulting in the following script. After creating the agent script, you need to train the agent and test its script. To train the agent, click the Train button located in the upper right corner of Bot Builder. It will initiate the script validation process. The requirements for successful agent training are available in the article linked in the description of this video. If the script meets the requirements, the agent will be trained. Otherwise, the script validation will fail and an error text will appear in the lower right corner. If errors are detected in the script, identify problem areas using the guidelines in this article and fix the errors. After this, train the agent again. After successful agent training, open the debug widget by clicking the debug button. Ask the agent some questions in accordance with the created intents. Try formulating the questions in different ways using synonyms. For the most effective testing, we recommend reading the article Testing the Agent Script. It is linked in the description of the video. To choose an appropriate confidence threshold, refer to the article Testing and Improving Agents Recognition, Selection of Confidence Threshold. You can retrain the agent directly from the Analytics tab. More details can be found in the article Additional Training of the Agent from the Analytics tab. After editing the training phrases of the intents, don't forget to train the agent again before testing it. Communicate with the agent, going through all the steps of the script. If you find errors, fix them, remembering to retrain the agent after each change so that it takes effect. If everything is correct, congratulations, your agent is ready.